Welcome, everyone.
Today we're diving into the incredible world of frogs.
Grab your nets and let's hop into some amazing facts you probably didn't know.
Did you know that there are over 6,000 species of frogs? They can be found on every continent except Antarctica.
Frogs have excellent night vision and are incredibly sensitive to movement, making them great hunters.
Some frogs can jump up to 20 times their own body length in a single leap.
The smallest frog in the world is the Pediphryn amaensis from Papua New Guinea, measuring just 7.7 millimeters in length.
On the other hand, the largest frog is the Goliath frog of West Africa. It can grow up to 32 centimeters long and weigh over 3 kilograms.
Frogs don't drink water like we do. They absorb it through their skin.
One remarkable amphibian, the wood frog, can survive being frozen solid during the winter and thaw out alive in the spring.
Many frogs have toxic skin secretions that can deter predators. The poison dart frog's toxins are among the most potent in the natural world. Frogs can lay thousands of eggs at once, which then hatch into tadpoles before transforming into adult frogs.
The colors of a frog can indicate its toxicity. Brightly colored frogs are often the most dangerous.
Some species of frogs can change color to better camouflage themselves from predators.
Most frogs have sticky tongues that can snap out quickly to catch insects and other small prey. A frog's call is unique to its species, and males often use these calls to attract females during mating season.
The South American horned frog is known for its ferocious appetite and ability to consume prey as large as mice.
Unlike humans, frogs have 3 eyelids. The third is a transparent membrane that protects their eyes underwater.
Frog calls can be surprisingly loud, some reaching decibels comparable to a running lawnmower.
Most frogs start their life in water as tadpoles with gills, before developing lungs and adapting to life on land.
Frogs have a unique method of breathing known as buccal pumping, where air is pumped into their lungs through throat movements.
In some cultures, frogs are considered symbols of transformation and fertility.
A group of frogs is known as an army, while a group of toads is called a knot.
Frogs in the rainforest help to maintain the balance by controlling insect populations.
The common frog found in Europe can live up to 15 years in the wild.
There are even flying frogs that can glide between trees, using webbing between their fingers and toes.
Frogs communicate not just through croaking, but also by using body language such as hand-waving.
Some frogs have specialized toes that allow them to stick to smooth surfaces, making them excellent climbers.
In certain species, parental care is taken to extremes, like the male Australian gastric brooding frog, which swallows its eggs and broods them in its stomach.
Frogs have been an important part of research in medical science, particularly in the study of muscle and nerve function.
Some species of frogs can regenerate lost limbs, a feat that fascinates scientists studying regenerative biology.
The dendrobates, or poison dart frog, gets its name because indigenous tribes used their toxic secretions to poison the tips of their blow darts.
Frogs absorb oxygen not only through their lungs but also through their skin, which must stay moist for this to occur effectively.
There is a rare phenomenon called hog-nosed frogs where they employ loud, snorting calls to communicate.
Certain species of frogs have evolved to become entirely aquatic, while others live their entire lives on land.
Climate change and habitat destruction are significant threats to frog populations around the world.
Frogs play a vital role in many ecosystems by controlling insect populations and serving as food for larger predators.
In some cultures, frog legs are considered a delicacy and are commonly eaten as a source of food.
Frogs are often used as bioindicators because their permeable skin makes them sensitive to environmental changes.
The African bullfrog is known for its size and aggressive behavior, even towards larger predators.
Frogs have been around for over 200 million years, surviving several mass extinction events.
The golden frog of Panama is so rare that it is considered a symbol of luck and is even featured on the country's lottery tickets. Thanks for hopping along with us. Make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more fascinating facts. See you in the next video.